Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 26. Get ready for the dictation. Start. India's security forces many threats from many sources. Stop. Broadly speaking, the main sources of threat are terrorism, left wing extremism, and insurgency in certain states. Stop. While violence is a common thread that runs through the three main sources of threat, there are significant differences between one kind of threat and another. Stop. The government's response to the different sources of threat cannot be undifferentiated. Stop. Cross border terrorism is a matter of deep concern. Stop. Terrorist groups, including LAT and JEM, persist in their endeavor to launch terror attacks. Stop. They continue to innovate new ways and means of deniability. Stop. They find support among disgruntled elements within India. Stop. Cells and models within India lend an Indian character to these activities. Stop. Through community in general, other innovative measures, we must detect and deny any opportunity in general adversaries. Stop. Intelligence is the key. Stop. We were able to bust 12 terrorist modules in 2008, and in the first half of the current year we have been able to neutralize 13 modules. Stop. Left wing extremism purports to be a radical form of communism. Stop. Today, various groups adhering to this outdated ideology have their pockets of influence in 20 states across the country. Stop. Over 2000 police station areas in 2 to 3 districts in these states are partially or substantially affected by the menace. Stop. The CPI remains the most potent of the Naxal groups with a presence in 17 states and a 90% share in Naxal violence. Stop. Recent decisions taken by its Politburo indicate that the CPI is determined to expand its activities into newer areas on the one hand and intensify its mass resistance in the existing areas on the other. Stop. Violence, the most visible aspect of Naxal menace, has been consistently witnessed in about 400 police station areas of around 90 districts in 13 of these states. Stop. Last year, a total of 1591 incidents of Naxalite violence resulting in 721 killings were reported from 399 police station areas of 87 districts of 13 states. Stop. This year, 1405 incidents of Naxal violence resulting in 580 killings have already been reported from 355 police stations in 78 districts in 11 states. Stop. The CPI has also improved upon its military wares and operational tactics. Stop. Besides targeting the police, alleged police informers and so-called class enemies, it is laying greater emphasis on attacking economic and development infrastructure such as roads, bridges, railways, power and telecommunication networks. Stop. With increasing sophistication in fabrication and deployment of improvised explosive devices, it has inflicted more casualties on the security forces. Stop. As many as 80 SF personnel were killed in 53 landmine based attacks by the CPI in 2008. Stop.